Say hello. I'm here at Kottur Elephant Sanctuary and Rehabilitation Center. So that's a baby elephant right there. I don't know if you can see. There seems to be a lot of elephants here because it's an elephant rehabilitation center. Yes, that's another baby one. So nice. It's a male elephant having his dinner, I believe. He's having his dinner as well. You have to be very careful when you go close to these male elephants. They are humongous. He's vegan. He's eating all the leaves. That's good. Saying hi to YouTube. I don't think I should be going beyond this. His name is Manu and he's 5 years old. He's having a crunchy dinner. I hope you like him. If you do, thumbs up the video and like the video. He would appreciate that. Let's check out these guys. Check out these guys. That's another baby elephant and he's having his meal. They all seem so busy having food. There's another one here behind him. Oh, he's playing, he's dancing for you. I hope you're enjoying this. Look at him dancing. Yes. It's almost like he's dancing to song. He's dancing to music, yes. So look at this big guy. That's a male elephant. He's big. Even he's dancing. Yeah, he is. He's dancing for YouTube. Nice. He's seeking attention. I'm sorry nobody's giving you attention, but here I am. He's seeking for attention and I think he's sad that no one's giving him attention. So I think we should share this video so that he gets more attention. So many of them. We're just in their territory. Often, I don't know if you can see. Oh, look at those tiny ones. And he's right there, sitting blank. Look at this guy. So I hope you like the video and I hope you enjoy watching dancing elephants. If you're here in Kerala and if you're here in Trivandrum or in Tamil Nadu, any place close by to this place, I definitely do suggest you come and visit here. It's very beautiful. You get to see these elephants and they're still building up right now. It seems they have 8 elephants and this one seems to be, well, they're planning to be one of the biggest rehabilitation center for elephants